Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Highlight sales greater than 90 days late from today. Using conditional formatting, we can look at a range and determine if a particular invoice is greater than 90 days late. I'll show you how. Here we have a range. This will be the formula we use. We highlight the range, go to conditional formatting, go to new rule, go to use a formula to determine what cell to format. I'm gonna just go in and show you what it looks like. You're gonna go in and you're gonna hit new rule. Here, you're gonna enter equals today. That means today minus D4. We're just gonna subtract today from 522. And if that number is greater than 90, highlight it. Otherwise, don't. That's how you highlight a cell that's greater than 90 days late. Change the color. Remember, absolute values. Here, it's a relative value. Hit OK. You can see 312 is greater than today's date. The other dates are still within the 90-day timeline. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, Williams out.